guys, welcome to our new Bros channel. I'm Rahul Bala. So after a long time I think I'm meeting you. So sorry for that, I have to study for my board exam. Okay, leave that. I have a project right now. I have made this and it have won second place on Periyar Maniammai University for state level project and post exhibition. So the project name is co-cultivating combining fish farming and hydroponic. So let's see the project right now. So on the bottom of the project, we have a fish tank, just a fish tank setup. Think that a fish tank, okay? If you see the pond, you can identify some aquatic plant and soil. So the fish can take nutrition and food from that. So our plan is we have to filter the water and transport to the hydroponic plant up here. So the hydroponic plants are which mainly grow in the 24 bar 7 water supply. So what are the plant will grow means tomato, pepper, cucumber, strawberry. These many items will grow on the hydroponic farming. This is a smaller scale. If you done in a larger scale or an acre, you will lose more electricity. So we have a solar right now. So we connect the solar into the water pump, so we can get easily energy to the water pump and suck the water and transport the water to the hydroponic plant up here. So this project will mainly using for apartment people, because they will plant some few vegetable fruits on their balcony, so it can be disturb them. So just leave that system and do this system. This is very easy, and you can do co-cultivation, because we can do on same time fish farming also, as well as hydroponic farming. And if you plant in the soil, you will get less number of nutrition. If you plant in the hydroponic farming system, you will get 90 percentage nutrition better than the soil, and it's very easy process. So if you like this my project, please subscribe and like my R&D Bros channel. Thank you.